photo to pencil portrait. Let's build this face slowly, from loose shapes to final details. I start with very light lines. At this stage, I'm only looking for the big shape of the head, the angle of the hair, and where the face sits on the page. Don't press hard yet. These lines are just a map dot now. I place the main features.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side.
I mark the eye line, the nose, and the mouth before adding detail. For beginners, this part matters a lot. If the spacing is off here, the whole portrait will feel wrong later. I'm working around the eyes and nose first, because they give the face its expression.
Never the same. Never you calling my name. I'm taking my sweet time. Hey, whatever the plan, I know I'm holding the best of me out of my head. I know you always understand. Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire.
I keep checking the reference, then adjust the sketch with small corrections instead of trying to finish one area too early. Here, I'm cleaning up the structure. The goal is not dark shading yet. I'm making the eyebrows, eyelids, nose bridge, and mouth sit together more naturally. Now I start building form. I add darker marks around the eyes. Under the nose, narrowed hemode pen along the jaw. I'm not copying every shadow exactly. I'm choosing the shadows that explain the face clearly. This is where the portrait starts to feel more solid. push the side planes of the face, deepen the nose and lips, and soften the transitions so the features don't look pasted on. I move into smaller details now. The eyes get sharper, the mouth gets cleaner, and I add little value changes around the cheeks and lower face. Small marks can change the likeness a lot, so I slow down here. Now I focus on the hair. I don't draw every single strand. I group the hair into dark and light sections first, then add a few sharp strokes to show direction and textured dot. This is the final pass. I darken the strongest accents, clean the edge of the face, add effet lest marks around his shoulders, and make sure the portrait still matches the reference as a whole. If this helped, like and subscribe for more portrait sketch studies.